Hello everyone. Today in this video of mine I am here with the solutions of exercise 8.1 and this is the revised syllabus of class 8 Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So children, let's get started. First question is add the following. In this question we have to add the algebraic expressions, okay, and you can see that this all are binomials. This all expressions are binomial. Binomial means the algebraic expressions having two terms, okay. So one method earlier I discussed in my videos, that we can use the column method to add the algebraic expression. And I told you, whenever I'm just coming up with this topic, I'm telling you that only the terms, okay, the like terms will get added or subtracted, okay. So I think column method will be easier for everyone, so I'm going to explain this question with the column method, okay. So first term is AB minus BC, okay. We have to add AB minus BC, BC minus CA and CA minus AB, okay. अब CA लिखो, AC लिखो, that means the same. You have to add BC minus, so BC will come here, okay, minus CA. CA वाला term आपका पहले expression में नहीं है, so you will write it here, okay. The like terms will be under the same column, okay. Then plus the next term is CA minus A. So this minus A will here in the first algebraic expression, AB is there, so here we are going to put it minus AB, or you can write this as inside the bracket. The sign will be inside the bracket, okay. And then plus C, got it. And then what you are going to do, like terms add या subtract हो सकते हैं. So AB plus minus minus, so AB minus AB will be 0, okay. This will get cancelled. ठीक उसी प्रकार से here minus BC and here plus BC, okay. Minus plus minus, so this will also get cancelled, okay. Minus CA plus CA, this will also get cancelled and the answer will be 0, okay. So this is the solution of the first question. The second question is A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, the second expression. The third algebraic expression is C minus A plus AC. You can see, children, that all this algebraic expression contains three terms. It means they are the trinomials, okay. We can add the trinomials also in the column method. You can use it, okay. So write down the first algebraic expression as A minus B plus AB, okay. Then whatever, if any like term is there, you will place it under it, okay. जो like terms होंगे ठीक उसके नीचे आप लिखेंगे, और जो unlike terms है you can write it one side. तो यहाँ पे B is a like term, you can write B. Plus B लिखिए, minus B plus B लिखिए, that doesn't matter. अब आपको उसको sign लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, okay. But अगर negative में है तो then you have to put the sign there, okay. So B minus C नहीं है, you can write at this side, plus BC, okay. BC is not there, so you write it here, okay. Now the third trinomial is C minus A plus AC. So C, the term C is here, so okay. You have to add this one, minus A, you are going to put under this in the same column, and plus AC. there is no such term containing A and C, so you will write it 1 column. Okay, now A minus A, because plus minus is minus only, and this A and minus A will get cancelled. Okay, similarly minus B plus B will get cancelled. Okay, and then this AB will come down here because there is nothing, it's 0, so AB plus 0 will be AB, minus C plus C will get cancelled. Okay, plus BC, यहाँ पे this BC will come down, AC, there is no such terms, it will come down, and the answer will be AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, the third question is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. We have to add it with 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Again, this algebraic expression contains 3 terms. They contain 3 terms, that's why they are trinomials. Okay? So, first algebraic expression to write down, and the expression that has to be added has to be written below under the same column. You write after जो like terms are, they will be in the same column. So minus 3p square q square, because this is a like term. It is also having p square q square, and this is also having the variables p square q square. Okay. Now here 7pq. 7pq will come under minus 3pq. Okay. And the constant term will be written as under the constant term. Okay. Now what are we going to add up? So plus minus is minus. Okay. And the sign will be of the number having the sign will be of the bigger number. Okay. We will take the numerical coefficient into consideration. So 3 with 2 minus is 1, but the sign is negative. Okay, with the bigger number it is minus 3. The numerical coefficient 3 is having the sign, negative sign, so we will take minus. So it will be minus p square q square. Okay, plus minus again minus, and sign will be of the bigger number. So 7 makes it bigger, plus 4 into y, because 7 is the bigger number having the positive sign, and plus 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Okay. Hello children. Back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. So the fourth question says L square plus M square has to be added to M square plus N square. N square plus L square is the next algebraic expression. We added it to LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Okay. So in this question I am going to tell you the horizontal method, how we can add using the horizontal method also, so that it will be like according to your convenience. You can use either of the methods. आप अपने according to जो आपको easy पड़ रहा है, you can use any of these 2 methods to solve the questions. Okay. Now, so L square plus M square plus का sign क्योंकि हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, plus M square plus N square plus N square plus N square plus 2NN plus 2NN plus 2N. Okay. अब जो आपके लाइफ टर्म्स अगर आपको कहीं देख रहे हैं, तो you have to bring them together. तो जैसे यहाँ पे L square है, यहाँ पे L square है, तो L square plus L square can be added. Okay. L square के सामने कुछ भी नहीं है, इसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे 1 है ना? 1. आप generally we don't show this 1, we don't write 1, but it is considered that कि numerical coefficient इसका 1 है, और आपको पता है कि algebraic expression में जो उनके numerical coefficients है वो उनको add किए जाते हैं. ठीक है? Plus M square हमारे terms, we bring them together. then n square, ये तीनों जो है अनलाइक टर्म्स है, सो इनको एज इट इज रीराइट आउट 2mn plus 2nl. Okay, you can write this l square, the like terms within the bracket also. So l square plus l square will be 2l square plus m square plus m square will be 2m square. n square plus n square will be 2n square plus 2ln 2mn plus 2nn. Now you can see कि सब में 2 कॉमन है ना? So you can write 2 as one of the common factor. आप इसको बाहर रखिए and you can write the expression as l square plus n square plus n square plus ln plus mn plus nf. This is the solution of the fourth question. If you like my explanation and if you want more explanations on different topics, then don't forget to like this video, okay, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I'm coming with my next videos. Thank you so very much.